So the next component which is required is the breadboard. So why we are using this breadboard means, in the testing phase we may require many 5 volts and the ground pins. So in the Arduino board there are only limited number of pins. So for the testing phase we can actually extend this ground and 5 volt of the Arduino to the breadboard, and then we can connect easily many pins to the breadboard. Here is how you can do this. So take two jumper wires for example. So I'm connecting the ground of the Arduino to the breadboard like this. Ground to the breadboard. So now I have connected ground to the breadboard. So now you can actually use these all the horizontal pins up to the center. If it is a long like this breadboard, up to the center you can use these pins as a ground. So you can connect another pins to this or this as indicating, I mean, you can use that as a ground pins. So similarly I am connecting this to the 5 volt. So now I'm connecting 5 volts to one of these pins. So now similarly you can connect any other jumper wires or any pins to these all pins as a 5 volt up to the center. So if you connected to the top and the bottom, it will be like horizontal wise it will become that pin, I mean ground or the 5 volt. If you connect it to these center pins, it will be like vertical. So if you connected here for example, you can use these 4 pins as the ground or the VCC for example. So this is how you can use the breadboard for actually testing your components.